What's up? This is Six Leaf Clover Fire here. Welcome back to me working on OLL. Now, there was a case that I forgot to do last time, and it was headlights. It looks like this. Headlights. It's this algorithm. It's actually really fun. So if I were to run through all the ones I did yesterday, look like this. This is just an anti-sim. Works both right and left. This is just sim. But I forgot it's mirrored on the side as well. So also right sim. Right sim. Left sim. Right here. Not every case has a mirrored kind of thing. That was a double headlight. And then you can do this on the left side. Oh. There we go. And then this also has I'm doing the wrong algorithm here. It's this one is has a left side as well, I believe. Does it? It's so hard to remember. Yeah, it does. Is there? Oh. There it is. It's on the left side. It's mirrored. There we go. Then headlights does not have a mirror case. Headlights. Okay. Next. I was doing this an accident. This case. No mirrored cases here either. This one's a lot of fun. It uses the M slice. Alright, P shapes. Oh. I don't know what I did there. I think I messed something up, but this is the case. I'm just gonna do it because I think I messed up. Okay, so yeah. Here we go, P shape. on the left side. It's gonna be a while before I get this one. With the one dot on the side. Oops. There we go. The easy ones. Recognize with the bar on the side, but still be. And then of course on the right side. Bar on the right side. There we go. Running through it. Now the W's. Oh. There we go. W's. Okay. Squares are easy. Squares, I really like squares. I always thought they were fun. I'm gonna have like this on the square and do that. It's really just a fat little L. If that makes sense. Alright. Now the L shapes, which I hate. Except this one. This one's easy. It's the one with the headlights. Oh, I messed something up there. There we go. Just get out of the way and then do it twice. Okay. Moving this over. And then it's that. Okay, cool. And the others. This is not horrible. Okay, well, bar on the side. So, okay, now the other side. I screwed it up. But it's like it's really coming back to me. You know what I mean? I was looking at the wrong alg, that's why. So, bam. Yeah, I knew that was screwed up. Oop. Where's the green orange? Oh, it's right in front of me. Ah, I remember that C. J prime. J A prime, I think. Okay. Bam bam. Wait. Okay. It's pretty symmetrical. Flick that way twice. Okay. Oh. There we go. Cool. Now a bar and headlights is... That one's not that bad. It's pretty symmetrical. A lot of this is muscle memory taken back over. Cool. Okay, L's done. Fish. And then I will be caught up. In 10 minutes. Oops. Okay. I knew I misread that. Shoot, I don't even have my cross done. Okay. Blue and orange. Why'd I do that? Okay. Soon, and then this is that's a Y perm, but I don't remember it right now. JB perm. That's what it is. I believe it's the JB perm. Okay, anyway. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. And then you undo that F. There we go. Here's the fish. Cool. Now the other one. That one's kind of tricky. It's cool, but tricky. Because you go like this. It's like you're almost doing an M slice, but you're not. There we go. Okay, there's that one. That one's going to take some work. Oh, I remember this one. That one's not bad. Yeah. So it's this. Alright. Next. Easiest one. Yeah, well, this one's easy. Bar, bar. I mean, it's pretty logical how that one gets solved. Okay, so that's everything I worked on yesterday. Now I have awkward shapes, lightning bolts. Those aren't hard. D shapes aren't hard. C shapes, small L's, knights, and dots. Which you don't really care too much about dots because you can always sledge or wedge hammer. No, sledgehammer or wedge slammer to avoid a dot. So, alright. It's just going to be hard to read. So, yeah, I knew that wasn't right at all. This isn't even a case. Yeah, because I'm missing a... There we go. Ah, that was a P, and I missed it. I just worked on it. That's annoying. Oh well. Soon, and then... How do I know my G-perms? Still. That doesn't even make sense. Okay, anyway. This is gonna be hard. So D has to be this way. Okay, yeah, that's correct. So, okay. Okay, cool. I remember this one. That's fun. Okay. Awkward shit. Or you can call it a cactus. Cool. Okay. Now the reverse. Same thing. So on the other side. This is going to take practice, but it's already starting to come back to me. I like this push. With the ring finger here. It's really fun. How'd I mess it up? And I did. I was like, I think I messed this up. I have a dock case here. Let's go back and wedge slam. Lightning bolt. Hey, I remember that lightning bolt. That'll be easy. R-perm. Bam. Okay. So, let's go back. So... Wait. Did I do them backwards? It doesn't matter. But now I've confused myself. Okay. Okay, I already did. Okay. There we go. Right, okay. There we go. It's crazy how fast this is coming back. Hopefully it's like that with piano as well. There, I screwed up. Oh man, I still don't... Hey! I did an E-perm! That's crazy. That's really cool, actually. Okay. Again, one more time. Oh. Yeah, that's starting to come back. That makes sense. Oh. There we go. Yeah. Couple more times. Okay, yeah, it's this. Yeah. So, bam, 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 bam. Done. Awesome. Another OLL down. Okay. The headlights aren't as hard. Yeah, very symmetrical. Me and my wife are gonna see the monkey tonight. We're excited. I screwed that up. Pie shape, and then this. Okay. Again. Moist Critical said it was good, so that means something. Okay, I think I can keep going. I think I fixed it. Shoot. Okay. Again, I think I fixed it. There we go. Yeah, headlights. Cool. Now, the left side case. Okay. Okay. There we go. Yep. Cool. Alright, those are all the awkward shapes. So, finish that. The lightning bolts are super easy. I like them a lot. Some of my favorite cases. First one is just a fat sim. Because you're removing 2 layers. So it looks like this. And you know it's just a fat sim. Same on this side. So, very simple. Cool. Done. Alright, next. It's another favorite of mine because it uses the S-slice, which is crazy. Looks like this. Got the one line. Okay, hold on. Yep, perfect. It's same way the other way. Cool. S-slice is done. And then the next is probably the hardest one. It uses a double face. I love the lightning bolts. They're simple. Alright, so it does use an S-slice. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I remember. Oh. Okay, cool. I'm slicing the wrong way, but okay, cool. Symmetrical. This is great. That's awesome. I love that. Now the T's. The T's are so easy. It's not even funny. Those are the easiest cases in my opinion. It's just this. The bars on the side. That's all it is. And then the other T is also extremely easy. It's just the, well, no, it's not, but it's still super easy. Cool, T's done. C, I correctly guessed it right earlier. Okay, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. No, hold on. I'm forgetting a finger trick here. Okay. Oh, you hold it here. Okay, yeah, you hold it here. No, I'm missing a finger trick. And I messed something up. Okay, so... How'd I... Okay. Wait. Oh. No. No. What is wrong with the finger trick? I correctly guessed it earlier. Ah. Ah. So I'm messing up the ones I already worked on. But that's gonna happen. It's gonna be a while before I remaster it. Wait, what is it? I can't... I remember it's here. Well, that time I didn't have the... Okay, this is getting confusing again. Ah. Okay. Okay, but how do I finger trick it? There we go. Got the fish. Shit. I got the E-perm earlier, but now I didn't. Ah. Nothing's right. There we go. Progress. Okay, that was a screw up. Okay. So... Wait, hold on. I just saw it again. Something's not right. Oh, I remember. That is the finger trick right here. Kick with this, then it naturally leads to that. Oh. That one's the hardest to remember the finger tricks for, to be fair. Okay, next. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. You have to start up here. Alright, that one's hard. These are hard. Oh wait, I think I'm starting to remember. There we go. It's gonna take some practice. Okay. Small L's, knights, and then dots. Okay. Fortunately, I remember these. This is cool. I know horse. Fortunately, I remember this quite well. Cool. And that's you don't have to remember the other side. It doesn't matter. Okay, now this next one is tricky. It's just a line. Okay, I remember that one. Shit, I screwed something up. Okay, cool. So it's similar to the other. Okay. That is a cool alg. What's this case? And it's a similar one with the dot. That. Okay, anyway. Cool. Done. This next one is kind of hard. Oh wow, it's just a 2-cycle. It's crazy. Oh no, it's not. I thought it was. As I say, I didn't think there was many. I'm not convinced on the finger tricks. But okay. The bar's on the left. That's not super intuitive. That's okay though. Hi, horse. Next is just a straight line. Okay. What? Yeah, I knew that screwed up because I was not expecting. There's some weird finger trick there. Okay. So I think I have to start up here. Yeah. Says anti. Yeah, okay. So that's not bad, as long as you know about that. Ah, how did I screw it up though? Yeah, I'm just screwing up now. Which is fine. Again, it's gonna be a while before I get OLL down. But get a spot as I need to start. Already went over that case today. Cool. Okay. Alright. R. What? I followed it to a T. And that's always the most annoying thing when you think you followed it, but you actually don't. Cool. Alright. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, there we go. R. Oh, oops. Forgot to adjust my grip up here. It's good because you can sort out sometimes the finger tricks that you're supposed to do simply because of how the alg looks. You know what I mean? Or I'm gonna get you on a minute. I know. It went out so bad. And there we go. Cool. Okay, I got that. My wife will be home soon. Anyway, night moves, and then I'm thinking I should save the dots for later. Okay, so how hard are the nights? I don't remember. Oh, okay, I'm starting to remember. Okay, wait. So, F-U-R-U. Okay, that's kind of weird. No, it's not. I remember. Oh, I did the wrong. That was completely wrong. Hey! Cool. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Oh, did the wrong algorithm again. Good with the U perms. Okay, anyway. F-U. Alright. I know, Horace. Okay, so it's this. Okay, that I remember. Cool. Okay, I remember that. Next is what? I know, sweet horse. I know you went out. Headlights. How do you relearn that? Sweet. Okay. No, I already moved on for this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just did a fish. Okay. Anyway. Wait, hold on. That feels weird. Again, I messed something up. I don't know what I messed up. Yeah, that was completely wrong. That's fine. Cool. Okay. Again. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. You use your thumb there. Okay. Give me 1 second, y'all. Alright. That was my wife calling. I have 2 more night moves. or night shapes. Yeah, night move shapes. And then tomorrow or whenever I'll do the dots. Probably. There's not, you don't really have to, but you can. And I like to, but I remember this one. This one's a lot of fun. It's this. It's, I don't know how to explain this one. It just feels nice. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay. The last one. That and then oh, it's just the reverse way. I remember that. I really like that one. That sounds cool. Alright. So this episode I recapped all the edges oriented correctly ones, including the headlights because I forgot. Corners correct, edges flipped. B shapes, W shapes, squares, big L shapes. Or no, it's like that. I don't know how to say. Fish shapes, awkward or cactus shapes, lightning bolts. Oh, no, I didn't. So I recapped all the way up through awkward shapes. Then I went ahead and worked on lightning bolts, T shapes, C shapes, which I really need work on. Small L shapes. Or you can call them lines. Night move shapes. So I did additional six more. And then next I have the dot cases. Which again, if you're solving the cube, you can avoid the dot shapes completely, I think, if you do hedge slammers or wedge. Yeah, there's the hedge slammer. No. Yeah, hedge slammer or wedge. I called it wedge hammer or something. Hedge slammer. No. Sledgehammer or wedge slammer. There we go. Sledgehammer is the word I was looking for. Sledgehammer's awesome. Sledgehammer can avoid dot shapes. Same with wedge slammer. So you really don't need the dots. But I'll relearn them anyway, just for fun. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.